Well, I would say she got fucked, bud. Psh! Head gasket? What's a fucking head gasket, brother? Get that out of here. Who needs that? Now let's just fucking throw it back on and send it. It's good to go. Once that's done, throw that shit out of there. Get in here, make sure all of them are lined up on the valve train. I left 2 marks on here, so that way when I come and grab these, they should have the mark on them and I can line them up correctly. So let's this one should be towards the firewall with the bigger cab. You gotta be very careful with these. Very, very careful. Okay, give me a second, I need both hands. And I'm grabbing this, pulling my timing belt back over. I've already checked it, so I'm gonna go through and torque all these down to 80. Well, we've checked our timing, it's correct. Our pulley's back on, our timing cover's back on. We gotta torque this down to 130, put the belts back on. We also have one here and another one wrapped around there. Sounds steady. Just need some exhaust bolts and some covers. We're running smoothly and it's got fuel in it. Yes, sir.